Alright guys, it's snowing outside right now, so let's take a look at my decal, see how she's doing. Yeah, look at that. She's doing alright. Yeah, there she is. She's doing okay. Alright guys, use a snow brush, maybe a little smart about this. Yeah. Look at that. Woo! Havoc calamity. Yeah, it's a pretty big snowstorm right now, guys. I'm trying to brush off the baby right now. Yeah. There we go. There we go. Alright guys, so you guys, what's up guys, your boy Havoc here, and we're kind of middle of blizzard right now. You can see from the back the Havoc sign is still doing good now. Cold, blizzard, still on there. You know it was put on a little crooked, still on there. That's good. So when I do replace it, that's it, look amazing. It's not gonna come off. Like I already washed it once, I scraped it off with a snow brush, like it's still on there, nothing's really hurt it or affected it yet. So, I mean, I have high hopes for it when I get the look at these roads, man. Look at this shit. Oh, man. Look at that camera can't focus. It's so white out there. So it's so hard for it to focus. But look at this. Woo! Getting on the highway right here. Look at that. Can we get on the highway, guys? Minnesota winters are no joke, man, I'm telling you. Good thing I got that all-wheel Charger, the GT, man. Look at this. I don't think I would want to drive in a Hellcat this, to be honest. Alright, let's get on the highway officially. Here we go. And we're on the highway. Alright guys, I'll catch you guys in a bit. I can't see shit right now. Oh my god. This semi came by and I like ripped up the entire road. Like holy shit. See, it's clearing up now, but that semi in front, he's tearing up the road, man. I don't even want to be behind that guy. Woo! Look at it. You can't see nothing in front of you. Not a thing. Ooh. Visibility is terrible, guys. Guys, we're over here now. Bobby Steve's getting gas right now. Woo! I know I'm wearing just a shirt in the cold, but you know, this thing keeps me warmer with that engine. You know, for a V6, it gets really hot in there. Like, I can't really wear a jacket in the car. It gets too hot for me. I can't. Yeah, look at that. The car's out there struggling. Oh, there he goes. Struggling, man, I'm telling you. Oh, $25. Here it comes. Alright guys, a few days later after the snowstorm kind of cleared up now, it's pretty clean out now. See, there ain't much snow now. I found an alleyway just to try to record this real quick now. You can see though, it's still clean as fuck. Look at that. Look at that, clean as fuck. Havoc Clammy. Alright, thanks for watching my update video of the sticker now. It's doing really well, other than me being a jackass putting it on wrong. Other than that, I have no complaints, no, it's withstand all the weather conditions, you know, car washes, other stupid shit I've done, you know, it's on there still, it's going. So, I may have to still buy a new one because I don't like how it's placed, it's kind of crooked, but that's for another video another time. Thanks for watching guys, your boy Havoc out.